Oh, by the way, we need to find Virginia, like now.
Why?
I forgot to mention on the little raft, I found a little GPS thing to put on her.
Oh, did you see my cool mask?
Gay as fuck.
It does suck, because you have to hold it. Maybe when you're holding it, the cannibals don't recognize? I don't know.
And I was like, I'm like getting flares ready and all this shit, and it's just a fucking, it's an office. All right, well I know where some other caves are if you want to go look for them.
Yeah, actually, I can look up the specific cave that has it.
Wait, hold on a second. All the caves are marked on the menu or on the GPS.
Awesome. Well, I gotta look up which cave has it anyways, so.
I don't think
Sons.
it's in a cave, Nathan.
I'll look it up real quick.
Why do you
Sons of
think Virginia's important, idiot?
where to get
Did you hear me?
zip line gun. I.
Oh, the zip line.
What did you think I was looking for?
The key card, that's what you said.
Oh,
So why do you think I said Virginia was important?
stimp.
She's probably dead. No, she has the VIP key card because she's actually the billionaire's daughter,
What?
and she is set to inherit everything he owns, so she's VIP.
Okay.
I'm running to the second cave.
It sounds made up, but okay. Fair enough.
No, it's not. I looked it up.
I know. Even though it sounds made up, it has to be true because it's so weird.
Do you think all the caves are like that, or do you think it's just that one?
Just that, or maybe a couple others for like plot and story shit. What?
Oh, you better come over to me.
I'm running.
I just found a stun baton.
Oh yeah. Stay where you are so I can get one too.
That's why I told you to come over here, dumbass.
Poop brass. Oh yeah. Yes.
So that's what the batteries are for.
Yeah.
I
I've been
wonder, does this thing double as a flashlight? No. Alright, here's another cave.
all
Hey, I
right.
found some rope.
Epic.
Meals.
Yeah. Meal ready eats. Oh no, it's blocked off. How will we ever get in?
What? Get out of the way. There we go. Because there was a little plank down there that hadn't broken yet. It wouldn't let me in. Ooh, spooky.
Hold on. Where to get it? Deep inside a cave, marked on GPS. Oh.
There's some meat.
Actually, the cave is around this area. This could be the cave. Alright. Oh yes, more free shit. Hell yeah. You have any more flair? Actually, hold on.
Why?
I have that on 4. I'm gonna swap my 4 to grenade. I have 9 grenades.
Do you need food?
Uh, Kind of halfway on it.
Okay. One of them's yours, one of them's mine.
Epic. Uh-oh. What the fuck?
Light it again. It wasn't finished.
Good enough.
No, it won't heal you if you do that.
Oh, I'm at full health already.
Oh.
You gotta light your thing so you can see. With L or F if you switched it. I get the L for lighter, but it should be F for fire.
Just kicking him down there.
Yeah. It's gonna be some freaky shit down here, I bet. Be sure to headshot him. Oh, there's one.
Where?
Right there, right there, right there, right there. In the water. Yeah. No.
Stop moving. You keep like putting your arrow right in front of my line of sight.
Now all of them heard that. Oh yeah, I forgot. Guns increase their anger.
Doesn't even look like they can get up here. Wait, these are just regular... What are we doing? We can just kill these guys. Flares!
Hell yeah.
Boo! Woo! Woo!
Oh come on, I had to have hit that one in the head.
Ah, he hit me. He just came over. He drifted by and hit me.
I saw that.
He legit... He just fucking kicked me and ran off. I know how to piss him off.
Huh. I'm saving my grenades for any mutants we see.
How am I supposed to kill this thing?
I'll help you. Also, you forgot about your stun baton.
What do you mean?
Your stun lock baton. Oh, you hold down and it does it. Okay.
Why do I have the option to skin this guy?
Oh, good. Secret. Creepy armor. Okay.
What? Go up!
I saved you.
Was it full health?
Okay, I think this thing just killed you too. Okay, kill both of y'all. That means this one's alive too. Okay, let's get to skinning. Jeez, how long does the flare last?
The flare.
What?
What?
What? What you see?
It just appeared out of nowhere.
Oh. It sucks that I can't take this little light with me. That would be useful.
What is that?
What? What? What do you see?
Nothing. That was a web or something.
Oh, did you think there was some weird phlegm monster?
Alright, you can go first.
I will stun baton the shit out of him. Oh my god! Oh my god!
What?
Peek around the corner at that fucking thing.
Hold on.
Oh my
I
god.
have a better idea.
That might be what sneezed on the ceiling. Don't blow up. It's sleeping. Don't wake that monster. It's fucking scary looking.
I don't see anything.
Yeah, you see it? Yeah.
Throw a grenade at it.
Oh god. Oh,
Hold on. Throw your grenade at it and I'll shoot it if it keeps running.
oh god. Oh god, this is freaky. I'm running.
Ah!
What happened?
Killed it.
It killed it?
Yeah, it's dead.
Oh. That was kind of underwhelming.
It was stuck.
It
You
was
eat it.
it was fucking stuck. That's gold. I love that. What? What was that? What the fuck was that?
Hey, you gonna pick this up?
What?
Time
Ooh.
bombs.
I just heard like shit moving. Cold.
Tasty.
Mm-hmm.
So, if I know anything about game design, Nathan, there's gonna be more down here.
Uh-huh. Or maybe it was supposed to spawn down there and chase us or some stupid shit. I'm equipped. No, I'm not gonna keep my fucking grenades equipped. That's a mistake waiting to happen.
There's more. There's more coming.
Oh
There's more
god,
coming.
oh god, I'm butchering him.
I'm keeping him at bay.
Okay, back up, back up. Oh, never
Nathan,
mind.
they're blind.
Oh.
Nathan, they're blind. They cannot see.
Hey, asshole, you're not supposed to be able to see. Jeez.
They have no eyes. I don't know how they can see.
Okay, so they're generally pretty harmless.
Pretty harmless. They 3-hit killed me, Nathan.
Okay, I'm gonna be doing this. Oh my god! Oh my god, look at that one!
Oh yeah, I know. I can see it.
Oh, what's it doing?
Kill it before it springs.
Fucking freaky.
Bro, this game is so fun.
Oh my god. What? No, no, I fucking tased you.
Hurry up and...
I can't see.
Can't see, I just threw a flare. There we go. Did you kill it?
Oh. No.
Where is it?
Shoot it. It's back there.
What's back there?
Yeah. How much can this shit take? Oh, something hit me. Something killed me from behind.
I couldn't revive you because they pushed me inside of you, and I didn't get the option to.
Oh my god, are we both dead?
Yeah, we're both dead.
Okay, we have to respawn. Just respawn.
Restart the game.
Restart it?
Yeah, restarted our last save.
That's at that previous cave. Well, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, fair enough.
We just entered this one.
Wait, what?
Wait.
Wait, what?
We're in the jelly.
What do we do?
Where's our stuff?
What do we do? How do we do anything?
You just get out.
Oh, I
You
see.
get out. Oh, hey, my stuff's right here.
In the jelly, that's so this is fucking weird.
Okay.
Like,
well,
yeah, we're fighting mutants, but
okay.
still fucking weird.
No, we're good. We have all of our stuff.
Where's mine? Here it is.
I got my gun.
And they should still be dead. They always remain dead, even after you get to respawn. So,
I have,
pin, I have an apple.
7 bullets. Okay, I have 3 flares.
Oh yeah, flares. I have 3 flares also. Oh yeah, this is where we just were.
Yeah, I know. That's why I was saying, no, we're good.
That's nothing. That's a nothing. Okay, I'm like this. I like this.
He's dead.
Hey, don't take my arrows. They're mine. You don't even have a bow. Yeah, good.
Oh, yeah, I need to make a bow. I have ropes.
Stealing my arrows.
Protect me while I make... Never mind.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna make arrows. I'm gonna make arrows.
I have 1 stick.
Oh, that's no good.
So yeah. I can't make a bow. Because I used the stick earlier to do that fire.
Oh.
Something's running around back there. God, I think it's another one of those fucking things.
Okay, I got a lot more arrows now. Or 8 more, I guess. Hold on, let me recharge my... The fuck is that?
Okay, so I just found out what those things do.
What?
They're the ones making all the mucus.
The weird finger mouth body things?
Yep.
Alright, well hold on, I'm gonna recharge.
Blow their loads all over the wall, dude.
Oh, that's pretty... Ooh. Where's my stun baton? Quit. How do I...
Hello. You don't see me.
Okay, don't know how to recharge my baton.
You might want to get out of your menu. Get out of menu.
I'm out of my menu. Oh god.
They're unavoidable. They're unavoidable. They are unavoidable. He darted from the other side of the cave, and he does not stop running until he comes and hits you. Bro, what is this shit? You can't limit us with the combat like this, and then throw shit up there, and then you just charge you down and kill you.
Yeah.
In 1 hit.
Come on. How many arrows? Finally, that's one of them! Okay, that's all my arrows. Except the special ones, I'm dead. Okay, I'm respawning. Okay, I'm gonna loot all my arrows from the dudes, because you don't even have a bow. Don't take them.
Nathan.
What?
You fucking shot me.
No.
I just pulled an arrow out of my fucking leg. You shot me.
Oh, that's amazing. Where's my stuff? Here it is.
Okay. Canned food.
I like how we just have infinite retries.
We kind of do, yeah.
It's awesome.
I still need one stick. Do you have a stick?
A stick. Yeah, I'll give it to you right now.
Give me a stick. And how many arrows? Well, you don't have any arrows, do you?
No, I just shot them all. I gotta loot them from that guy. It doesn't let me give you a stick.
You're fucking serious.
Oh wait, do I have any? Do I even have any? I do. Won't let me. Fun.
Wait, just drop it on the ground.
Oh yeah.
Fucking dumbass.
You didn't think of it at first either.
Yeah, I did. I said, give me a stick. You could have just dropped it.
I know. Wait, could
How do
I?
you fucking pile? How do you? Oh no, how do you drive a small wooden stick through solid stone?
I'm
That's
powerful.
impressive.
Yeah.
We're powerful enough to do that, but not enough to fucking kill one guy.
Yeah. Well, one mutant finger mouse sneezy guy. You need tissue. So wait, that guy that was there, was he actually just a blockade or what?
He was a I don't know.
I hate that there's that crumbling sound effect every time I pass through that thing.
Why?
It's annoying. Or not that, it's just like I think there's something running at me every time I hear it. Decided to get all my arrows. Oh, my baton's back full. That's good, I guess. Cool.
So how many of those guys did you kill?
One? Maybe two, actually. Two. We killed two together. Oh, God. No, none of that. Don't shoot. Okay. Okay, that was just him bent over. Never mind. I thought it was some weird new monster. I think he's dead. Yeah.
Dude, we finally have rope. We can go finish that trap you have at the place.
Yeah.
I have these hotkeyed to something, right? No, I don't. Now I do.
Oh, dude, come back over here. Pills and shit.
Yeah, it's almost
Should
like
be
they
on
knew
the-
you'd fucking need it.
Yeah, should be on the ground right here.
There's
Where I'm
meals too.
standing. Yeah.
I'm getting all this shit real quick.
Alright. I'm gonna too.
Did that cost a flare? Infinite flare glitch.
What? What did you do?
So if you pick up something of interest, or wait, can you just? Oh, you can just put it away.
Cool. So it's just a better light.
Pretty much.
Rad.
What is this supposed to mean?
They were reading something about weird multiple
Stay
dimension
out.
things. They can
Well, they can
speak.
No.
They can read.
No. That's something else. Somebody's having a fun time. Splish splash, I was taking a bath.
Is that
Is that you?
No. Oh, there's some guys over there. Like 5 of them. 6 of them. Where'd you go? Okay. You better have that gun equipped. What
Okay.
the fuck? I'm
I'm
throwing a...
leaving. Bye. You have fun. Oh, I hate this. What did you do?
I threw a grenade at it.
It's one of those centipede people, right?
Yeah.
Well, I think... It's not dead! I just walked up right to it!
When we get a flashlight, that's gonna be awesome.
It's gonna be broken.
Yeah, a little.
Where is it? I'll lead it over to the light. And just light it up with your arrows.
Alright.
Come here.
Oh, hey buddy. Oh, I'm out. Wait. Swap to stone arrow,
I'm
yeah.
shooting at nothing.
If you look down and press R, you can swap between your 2 arrow types.
No, I mean, I'm shooting at nothing. I don't know where it is.
Is it dead?
Oh, it's dead.
It's dead. Ha!
Dead.
Taking all my arrows.
Dude, I need them.
I need them more.
Something just made a noise.
Yeah. I didn't hear it.
There's gotta be more.
Yep.
More friends.
Happy tree friends.
Oh, there's little babies. They're so cute.
Oh! They run around like little dogs.
They nip at you.
Do they do much damage?
Okay, how the fuck did that shit not die? Well, I had like a fifth of my health back.
I'm not wasting my grenades on a baby. I'm wasting it on a giant monster. Okay.
Let's go, dude! I fucking love stabbing them 7 times. Oh, but actually I only hit them once because the hitbox is just barely off. Come and save me real quick.
Oh.
God, man, these caves. Fuck these caves, dude.
Yeah.
Did you kill it?
Yeah, I crouched down and just started beating it with an axe.
Oh yeah, the axe.
Yeah, it's pretty good for these guys. Because it's got more of a range. It has more of a sweep. I'll get this one. Or these. Okay, yeah, they're not so tough. Just a couple hits.
Just one hit.
Oh.
Ow! What the fuck? Leave me alone!
It just kind of glides at you.
Why do they keep attacking me?
Because you're the cannibal here.